Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. A really erratic chance of rain over the next 7 days. Very irregular. Rain chances go up and down, dependent upon if we get trough of low pressure moving in, a surge of moisture, just lots of headaches coming up. But each and every day should have at least a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Going a 20% coverage here in the Triangle, could be more up in the Lakes area tomorrow evening. Detail that in just a minute. And that'll slide on into the Triangle coming up on Saturday, about a 50% coverage. Then going down as we head on into Monday, but afternoon high temperatures going up. Then rain chances go up as we head towards the middle of next week. A little bit of drying taking place at the surface and at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. We don't have the yellows and oranges over us, which is at the top of the scale. That's sliding to the north, more green. So the atmosphere is certainly drying, hence with that high over us, that has really helped to really curtail the rain chances today. Tropical storm ISAIAS continues moving northwest at 20 miles an hour. Much improved satellite presentation compared to 24 hours ago. Winds are at 60 miles an hour, and this is probably going to become a hurricane now as it moves away from the island of Hispaniola. Hurricane Category 1 possible just to the east of South Florida as we head on into Saturday afternoon. Tropical storm warnings all in effect for the Bahamas. And again, this stays just offshore of Florida. Hopefully, we're keeping our fingers crossed. Regardless, it's going to be a nail biter as that Cat 1 goes by and then heads towards the Outer Banks as we head on into a Monday afternoon and evening and begins weakening. Not an issue for us, far to the east, and stays out of the western Gulf of Mexico. But wait, there's more. As we continue our overactive and overachieving hurricane season, watching this coming off the west coast of Africa, Hurricane Center giving this a 50-50 chance of development in the next 2 to 5 days in the eastern Atlantic. Several days, obviously over a week to watch that, see if anything becomes of it. So in the short term, high pressure in charge and large over our area. But then here comes this trough of low pressure. That'll enhance rainfall in our area back in time for the weekend. But that's good because should anything threaten to come into the Gulf of Mexico, this says, not coming in the western Gulf of Mexico. In fact, it picks up ISAIAS and flings it back out into the open waters of the Atlantic. FUTURECAST showing maybe a stray isolated shower this evening, but that's wishful thinking. I think we'll see mainly dry weather conditions that are partly cloudy, fair to partly cloudy skies tonight. Lows will be in the mid-70s, lakes mid to upper 70s in the Triangle. Then tomorrow we'll start off with southwest winds, and that will warm us up very nicely into the lower 90s. We'll give it about a 10 to 20% shot in the Triangle. However, there's a front in North Texas. Could see a band of showers and thunderstorms. Surprises are possible in the lakes area. Right now, because of the uncertainty, I'll only go with 30, maybe 40% coverage, but it could be double that, just to give you a heads up. I think it'll stay mainly north of the Triangle coming up tomorrow, but tomorrow evening and Saturday, that's when it'll slide into the Triangle and enhance our rainfall. Slightly choppy seas expected on the Gulf of Mexico as we head on into Friday with seas around 1 to 3 feet. We'll see a southwest wind at 10 to 15 knots, water temperature 84. Fair to partly cloudy tonight, warm and humid. Thankfully, we have air conditioning, mid-70s lakes, upper 70s to near 80 in the Triangle. Tomorrow, a 10 to 20% coverage and mostly sunny in the Triangle. Again, can't emphasize this. 30, 40, could be more as far as rain chances coming up tomorrow afternoon and evening up in the lakes area. Surprises possible as this front nears our area. Then our rain chances here in the Triangle increase Saturday with a 50% coverage. Notice the yellow bar days. Back down to a 30% coverage of late afternoon and evening showers and storms Sunday. Monday, HOT, as a little drier air mass filters on in, and that could pick up afternoon high temperatures in the mid-90s. And then once we work into the middle of next week, rain chances go back up as moisture levels increase across the area. Summertime certainly persists. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and I hope you and your family have a wonderful Thursday night.